Agile methodology, its evolution and impact on history. The roots of Agile methodology can be traced back to the early 2000s when a group of software developers came together to discuss more flexible and collaborative approaches to software development. Evolution of Agile. Its principles and practices have been adopted by organizations looking to increase productivity, improve communication, and deliver value to customers more efficiently. Agile impact on history. The impact of Agile methodology on history cannot be overstated. Its emphasis on continuous improvement, collaboration, and adaptability has revolutionized the way projects are managed and executed. Agile transformation. Many organizations are undergoing agile transformations to become more flexible, adaptive, and customer-focused. This involves a shift in mindset, culture, and practices to embrace agile principles and ways of working. Agile methodologies comparison. By understanding the differences between them, organizations can select the methodology that best aligns with their goals, values, and project requirements. Agile evolution timeline. The evolution of Agile methodology can be traced through a timeline of key events, from the creation of the Agile Manifesto in 2001 to the emergence of modern Agile frameworks and practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile methodology has come a long way since its inception, evolving and adapting to meet the changing needs and challenges of modern business.